Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is stauros. Dear friends, Rene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is stauros. The Greek word stauros means cross or stake, and it refers to the instrument of crucifixion used during the Roman era, most notably for the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, symbol of Jesus' suffering and redemptive death. And we have these words that are derived from stauros. Actually, the Greek word itself is used in the English name stauros, which appears in some modern contexts, especially in theological or scholarly references to the cross. That's why we have staurology. And this term refers to the study of the cross in Christian theology, especially the meaning and significance of Christ's crucifixion. So we find it used in various parts of the New Testament, of the Gospels in particular. In Matthew chapter 10, verse 38, whoever does not take up their cross and follow me is not worthy of me. Luke chapter 9, verse 23, then he said to them all, whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me. Yung pagpapasan ng krus. In John chapter 19, verse 17, carrying his own cross, he went out to the place of the skull, which in Aramaic is called Golgotha. By the way, it is only in the Gospel of John where Jesus carries his cross. Dun sa tatlo, sa Mateo, Marcos at Lucas, ito'y binuhat ni Simon, hindi ni Jesus. Pero dun sa Ebanghelyo ni San Juan, siya mismo ang nagbuhat ng sariling krus. We ask ourselves that question, what does it mean for me to take up my cross and follow Jesus in my daily life? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.